In this video, I'll be showing you how to find gallery on Google Pixel phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if you've just switched to a Google Pixel phone, you might notice that there is no app explicitly named gallery on your home screen layout. This is because Google utilizes its own stock Android ecosystem, the native photo viewer and management layout on all Pixel devices known as Google Photo. And it functions as both your local offline photo gallery and your optional cloud backup engine. So go to your phone's home screen and then swipe up from the bottom of the display panel to open up your complete app drawer. Then scroll down alphabetically to the P section or use the top search bar to type photos. Look for the icon shaped like a vibrant four-colored pinwheel, and if you don't know what it looks like, it's going to be this icon right here. And then once you go ahead and find that, by default, Google Photos drops you into a timeline that mixes your local snapshots with cloud assets. So if you prefer a classic organized gallery layout that shows strictly what is physically downloaded on your device, open the Photos app, tap the Collections tab, then look at the top section labeled Photos on Device. Then tap View All. Then you'll be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.